Martial Arts Masana ama OIRIBA Jeet Kune-Do MASANNAGI 14th Rak Suba Sub-Junior, Junior Amadi Senior Jeet Kune-Do State Level Jeet Kune-Do Championship 2025 NGASIDAGI THOUBAL District YAIRIPOK BISHNUNAHA LEIBA YAIRIPOK Badminton Association gi Indoor Stadium da HOUDOKHRE World Jeet Kune-Do Federation USA International Jeet Kune-Do Federation Uzbekistan Asian Jeet Kune-Do Federation Sri Lanka World Martial Arts Games South Asian Martial Arts Games Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India amasung Indian Olympic Association ki unit ama OIRIBA School Games Federation of India Jeet Kune-Do Martial Arts Federation of India amasung Manipur Olympic Association asakanglaba masana asigi championship adu Jeet Kune-Do Association of Manipur na sinduna haying fawba numindini chupna chathagani hari championship adu haudopagi thoramda social activist oinam ramen na thoiba mithunglen JKAM gi Vice President Rajan Loitam na thoram mapu aduga DZM College of Arts Imphal gi former Associate Professor KH Ranjit amasung Sai National Centers for Excellence NCOE Imphal gi head coach Maivam Prem Kumar na akhanaba mithunglen sing oina saruyaki championship asida Imphal East, Imphal West, Vishnupur, Thoubal amadi Churchanpur na chingba district singdagi punna nupa nupi sanaroi chama yankhai rom na saruyaduna tongan ba kanglof kayada athoi ehen tanaki